Ako ay Pilipino. Ako ay Pilipino. Isang bansang sandiwa ang minimithi ko. Sa bayan ko't bandila, laan buhay ko't diwa. Ako ay Pilipino, Pilipinong totoo. Ako ay Pilipino, ako ay Pilipino, at noon kahit kanino, ang Pilipino ay ako. Thank you very much. Okay, so now let us proceed to our impressions, and let us hear first from the elementary. Let's welcome Jerome Torno, a grade 4 student. Good morning, everyone. No, good afternoon, everyone. From our 3-day session in UCB University Vocabulary, we learned and experienced a lot of fun and enjoyment. We learned about the anti-bullying towards our peers and classmates. We have also learned about public speaking, which help us to become a good leader. We tackle also about the take care of our environment, community, school, and family values. We learned a lot of things from you, which will help me to become a better person. Thank you for choosing us. May your pride be taken, and hope to see you again. So long, advance Merry Christmas to all. Thank you. Thank you very much, Jerome. And now let us hear from the impressions from the high school. Let's welcome April Tubarde, a second-year student. Good afternoon, everyone. Gratitude is the memory of heart. My name is April Tubarde. I am from second year. I am tasked to give the impression, and I am honored to be the one. Our topic today is about bullying. I learned that we should not bully other people. We should respect in what they are, in words and in action. And because of this learning and realization, we are grateful of the knowledge they share. I am confident that what we learn will stay in our hearts. We hope that you will still visit us and we will wait for that time. Thank you, April. And now, we'd like to welcome Melton Layon to give us the words of reconciliation.
Usa ra ka flowers. Hem mo bang flowers? Hem mo bang flowers?
Oh, the other flowers. Thank you very much for accepting our flowers and from Jillian. And now we would like to present
These are a project of the children. If we wanted to bring home. Even the Santa Claus is made by them. Everything, except the flowers, of course.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. And now we'd like to present our song number. This will be sung by the student here. It is titled Give Love on Christmas Day. People making lists, buying special gifts, taking time to be kind to one and all. It's that time of year when you use one to say thank you. We would like to thank you from the bottom of our heart. But for you, our heart has no bottom. Thank you for coming.
Picture here. Thanks.